basket filter primarily achieves the solid-liquid separation and is installed at the entrance of the pipelines or other parts of the system to remove large solid impurities from the fluid, such as sand, rust, and so on. Basket filter protects equipment from the damage, extends its lifespan, and ensures the safe operation of the system. The basket filter is easy to clean and widely applicable, commonly used in industries such as petroleum and chemicals. Regular inspection and cleaning of the filter basket are required to maintain its performance.